Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatyana, and if you don't know me, now you know. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look. This is my first Valentine's Day look of the year. A lot of people ask me about my foundation routine and what foundation I've been using and all this extra stuff, what concealer I use. So just comment down below and like this video if you like a updated foundation routine video. So yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, so I've already done my eyebrows off camera, and I've also done one eye off camera just to make time go by very fast, because if not, it'll take forever. So taking my Maybelline concealer in the color medium tan, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid as a base, and then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend that out in a patting motion. I'm then going to go in with my Airspun translucent powder. Using my Airspun translucent powder, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid just to set the concealer in place to make sure it does not move or budge. I'm then going to use my Box of Crowns palette in the color black and a pointed shading brush. And I'm going to trace out the top line. It's hard to explain, so you guys can just watch and see. After everything is all sketched out, I just take the same brush and I blend it in circular motions just to blend the black out. Then I'm going to go in with that concealer again in a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to clean up underneath. Please don't judge my frontal because I know it's bothering you because it's bothering me, but I read it after the video, so don't judge me, okay? Then going in with my Urban Decay Electric palette, I'm going to go in with the pink shade, and I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to apply that close to the inner corner of my eye in a patting motion. Then going in with the same palette, I'm going to take the darker purple and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye in a patting motion. And then I'm going to go in with the lighter, it's like a pinkish purplish shade. I'm going to apply that in the middle where I didn't apply any of the other two colors. And I'm going to pat that and then slightly do a windshield wiper motion just to blend the two colors together. After that, I'm going to go back in with the black again. I'm going to sketch out the bottom line. I'm going to do it as like a wing, but an open wing, if that makes sense. The top line is very easy to do because I trace my natural crease. And then I'm just going to blend that out the same way that I did the top. Taking my NYX eyeliner in the color black, I'm going to underline, the black that I just applied at the top. And then I'm just going to blend it up a little bit just to darken it up and give it some dimension. Trust me guys, this make a huge difference and make it look so much better. I'm also going to do the same thing to the bottom eyeliner. I'm going to line my waterline, not my waterline. I'm going to line my I don't know, what do you call this? I don't know what you call this part. But yeah, I'm going to line that, do some top liner, and then I'm going to trace the bottom black the same way that I did the top. Then I'm going to go in with the color Tan in the Box of Crowns palette, and I'm just going to apply that under my brow, on the brow bone area, just to calm the lighter parts down, because the concealer is very light for my skin. I use that to contour, and it's just really light. I'm also going to go back in with the black, just a slight tab of black, not a lot, just to blend it out a little bit, because I may have lost some of it when I added the tan color. Then I'm going to take my NYX eyeliner in the color white. This eyeliner is not great, but it's the only one I had at the moment. So yeah, I had to use what I had to use. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of that underneath the black liners, just to give it add some pop to it, because it looks very flat. Then I'm going to go with my Maybelline Colossal, or is this CoverGirl? I'm not sure. My Colossal Mascara, and I'm going to apply that on my eyes. Then I'm going to go up with my favorite lashes in the freaking world. They're from my upcoming lash brand that is coming very soon, and the style Bougie from the brand EyeLashed.Out. I will be keeping you updated for when the line will drop. They have very bomb lashes, 25 milliliter lashes. I'm also going to go with my black eyeliner. I'm going to line the bottom of my eyes. My waterline, I mean. I don't know why I can't speak today. Then I'm going to go in with that purple color, and I'm going to blend the black out. Then I'm going to go in with the pink, and I'm going to blend that purple out. Y'all see that highlighter? That highlighter was popping, honey. Like, what? I just had to show y'all. I'm also going to take that highlighter, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette. And I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eyes just to make it pop. Y'all see how that's popping? Like, Poppington, honey, okay? Now I'm going to take my NYX eyeliner in brown. I'm not sure the name of it, but it's a brown NYX eyeliner. Lip liner, I mean. I cannot talk. And I'm going to take the NYX Lingerie lipstick in the color Corset, and I'm going to apply that to the bottom lip, not the top. And I'm going to pat it out to the top. Then we're going to take the L'Oreal Infallible lip gloss in the color Rose Petal. I'm going to apply that on my lips. So, honeys, this is the finished look. I really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Kisses. Mwah.